In this video, we're going to work a third composite area moment of inertia problem. And this one, again, is a simple shape made up of several common shapes. But this one includes a quarter circle. So we haven't done a quarter circle yet. So that's the goal of this one. And it just so happens that all of our sub areas on this example touch the axis. And so if you recognize the use of I-base forms, it turns into a relatively simple problem if you realize that. This is actually a good test problem because it's relatively fast, and if you know what you're doing. This is a composite shape made up of a triangle, a quarter circle, and a rectangle. This is 2 inches, 4 inches. This is a 2-inch radius, and of course this triangle is 2 by 2. So we want to find IX and IY for this shape. So again, like normal, we're going to plan out our strategy. And as you're inspecting this, you go, wait a minute, all of these guys touch an axis. And so this triangle touches the x-axis, this quarter circle touches the x-axis, this rectangle touches the x. So I could just use I-base formulas for all of these guys. So about the x, for my rectangle, it's 1/3 base, which is 4, height, which is 2, cubed. For the triangle, it's 1/12 base, which is 2, times the height cubed. And the quarter circle, his I-base is 5/16 r to the 4th for his I-base. And you actually end up with 10.67, 1.33, and then pi. And you get IX is 15.1 inches to the 4th. About IY, again, the triangle touches him, this quarter circle touches him, this rectangle bisects him. So I'm going to use the 1/12 BH cubed formula. And so 1/12 base is 2, the height is 4 cubed, plus the I base of the triangle, which we found out already to be 1.333. And then the I base of the quarter circle, we found that already to be pi. And so we get IY is 15.1 inches to the 4th. Now you're going, wait a minute, those are the same, but that doesn't even look the same. Which is true. I mean, you could question that, but if you look at these shapes, IX has got 4 shapes that all touch the x-axis: a triangle, a quarter circle, half of our rectangle, and half of our rectangle about the x. And about the y, you've got the triangle touching the axis, the quarter circle touching the axis, one of the rectangles, the other of the rectangles. And so when you look at it in those terms, they are basically the same. They look differently, but they're basically the same. So again, this is an example where we're using a quarter circle and where all of the shapes touch the axes, so we can use all of the I-base forms.